the route. That's like a V1, bro. It's okay.
Yeah, I need it.
They're not on everyone.
How many beaches?
What? I don't know.
Oh. She's not a climber. She's a climber's girlfriend.
I was part of the front today. I actually really appreciate you saying that.
I've done it before. I actually take it in.
What's that? There's 78 right there.
I fear this was not a people. Are there people behind y'all?
Nope, we're the last
Oh,
three.
beautiful.
For a second at least. I want.
Patriotic as hell. I feel like you should see some bald eagles.
What I could do a burger with some sweet potato fries. Maybe an egg on there.
Making me hungry.
I made the mistake of not eating today. And then doing a hike. A steak. Tell me about yourself. Number one.